Hello, my name is Daniel Yuck. Thank you for watching today. I appreciate your time and support. In today's video, I want to dive into an in-depth review and take a close-up look at these colored pencils from a company called Kalour. Forgive me if my pronunciation is incorrect. I will leave my Amazon affiliate links for you in the description below so you can check them out on your end. Should you have any questions at any point throughout this video, I encourage you to drop a comment down below and I will do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring that bell for me, as I will be bringing more videos like this for you. I do have social medias under the same name as my YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, all under Daniel Yuck. I would appreciate the support over there. With that being said, let's get right on into this. I needed some good quality coloring pencils that I can use to color in the coloring books that I'm working on, which are available on Amazon. I will leave my Amazon affiliate links and other affiliate links for you in the description below, so that way you can check out the gear that you see here in this video and the gear that I mentioned. This is the Kalour Colored Pencil packaging. It came in a cardboard box and you can see it came in like a bubble wrapping. This right here is a tin casing. This coloring pencil set does come with 180 different colors. Me personally, I wanted to go with more colors and have different tones of a color as opposed to be more limited, so I went with the 180 pack. I do love the fact that it comes with so many colors, but not only that they come in this tin casing right here. It would be hard and difficult to keep track of 180 different colored pencils, and over time, or probably quicker than later, I would lose them all, so I am appreciative of this casing right here. Let's remove the plastic so that way we can take a closer look at all of the color pencils themselves. When we remove the tin lid, you can see that we have a color list on the actual lid right here on the bottom, and they are number coordinated. So all of the colors that come within this 180-piece set are listed right here within this color list, which I think is fantastic. What's also cool is that there's also this chart that this color pencil set comes with, and it's basically listing all of the colors here as you see, and it has a blank rectangle that we can fill in with the actual color pencil. I think this DIY color chart is awesome, as it will give us a more accurate representation of what the color is going to offer, because we're getting it from the actual color pencil onto a paper source. Let's keep looking into the contents here. So behind the DIY color chart are the color pencils. So it looks as though they're going to be stacked within this tin on these little plastic casings right here. This is what the color pencils look like close up. At first impressions, what I'm really liking about these color pencils is that they remind me of Prismacolor pencils, but without the hefty price tag. I chose these specifically not only for the variety of colors, but because of the price point. This specific 180 pack comes in different sheets, as you can see. So this is kind of like a flimsy, just basic thin plastic that keeps all of the color pencils on there. As you see, I just place my two fingers into the side pockets and then pull out each individual sheet. What I'm liking about this set is that they're all layered in a nice, neat, and orderly fashion here. I can place them out all over my table and then access them, grab whichever pencil I need, and then place it back and then put them back in the tin, and then whenever I need them, kind of repeat this process. So I can store them away, they don't take up much space, and I never have to worry about losing them. Another thing that I'm noticing is that these colors are nice and vibrant. They're very beautiful, and there is an array of different tones. For example, greens, purples, reds, you get the idea, yellows. So I have multiple variations of a color to use, and I can go ahead and get with color blending if I want. There is a lot that I can do with these color pencils. If not anything that my imagination could think of, I should be able to accomplish with these color pencils. What I would recommend is to get yourself a good quality pencil sharpener that you can rely on, so that way you can have a nice clean workflow each and every time you use your color pencils. Before we get into a performance demonstration, allow me to show you the color pencils at a closer view here. I personally love when I have an assortment of colors for one color. For example, I like when I have multiple purples and different variations of one purple, different variations of one green, different variations of a blue, different variations of a yellow, variations of a red. You get the idea. Me personally, when I was growing up, I used to love to color blend a lot, especially within my graffiti, so having access to multiple color tones is everything for me. Let's switch on over to a different angle and test out the performance. Some of the things that I'm looking for when using these color pencils are the vibrancy, how they apply, how they feel when I'm applying, how they sharpen. These are just some fundamental variables that I'm paying attention to when I'm using this specific Kalour brand of color pencils. For these demonstrations, I will be coloring in the A Piece of Mind coloring book that I created, which is available on Amazon. Just head on over to Amazon, type in Daniel Yuck or A Piece of Mind, and you will find this coloring book. You can see this is more of a vibrant neon sort of yellow tone that I'm using, and it's going to show up well on the paper. I have had issues in the past where I am using a lighter color pencil such as a yellow or an orange and they don't really show up as prominent as I would like them. I didn't experience that with this specific brand of coloring pencils. Every single color that I used, they were all vibrant, they popped, and it was nice and loud the way that I would like my color pencils to be. What I like about these color pencils is that they have a sort of like waxy feel to them. I don't really have to apply a lot of pressure or next to no pressure at all to get the pigment to transfer to the paper. The colored pencil transfers just fine without extensive pressure, which is something that I am in favor of. We are able to fully saturate, we are able to color blend, we are able to shade just fine with these color pencils. I'll let you go ahead and take a close-up look at some demonstrations here of these color pencils. Should you have any questions at all, I encourage you to drop a comment down below and I will do my absolute best to guide you in the best possible direction. I will also be bringing more coloring time-lapse videos, so be sure to hit that subscribe button for me and ring that bell. If I had to say something that I didn't like about these colored pencils, it'd probably be just that when I sharpened it too much, you can see how it breaks off into little shards and I have to wipe them away. It's really neither here or there, but it is one of my experiences that was kind of more on the negative end, but still, again, small and minor. Allow me to conclude the video and relay some of my final opinions and some insight on how I feel about the Kalour Colored Pencil 180 piece color pencil set. In my opinion, I'm going to give these a 2 thumbs up easily and a 5 of 5 because of their variation and price point. Not only those two variables, but the performance of these color pencils is definitely up there with Prisma in my opinion. I am a bit familiar with Prismas as I have used them before quite a bit within my lifetime. So if you want something comparable to Prismas without breaking the bank, this is definitely a great alternative. I will leave my Amazon affiliate and other affiliate links for you in the description below so you can check out the gear that was featured here in this video. Once again, should you have any questions, drop them in the comment section down below and I will do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring my bell as I will be bringing more videos like this for you. I do also have social medias under the same name as my YouTube. I have Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, all under Daniel Yuck. I would appreciate the support over there as well. With that being said, I thank you for your time and I appreciate you. You have a great day.